Hello, my friends. It is another day, day 17 of Art Joy Sharing, doing journal pages, and there's snarky journal pages, and this is no exception to the snarkiness. So I hope you're enjoying watching these videos. Remember, there's a playlist, and you can always find us using the hashtag. So today, the quote is, "It's okay if you disagree with me. I can't force you to be right." How snarky is that? So I'm going to use some Posca pens just to get the color into my birdies. I sketched these out. You saw me sketching, and I will add a quote and a border and all that good stuff. Not a whole lot to say about this. It's a fast page, and I have my laundry running, so I hope you can't hear the machines running in the background. But I have to do multitasking here. So anyway, come and join us on Art Joy Sharing. That's our Facebook group. You just have to answer 3 little questions, and then we will add you to the group. Just want to make sure that you're not some robot calling us and messing around with people that are in our group. We have a really good group of artists, and there's a lot of things posted in there, so come and join us, and you can check out all of the fun stuff that's being shared. And what else did I want to tell you? Oh, yeah. In the More section down below in the description box, you'll find links to the people who, support me and that I support and, all that good stuff. So check that out. And I will see you again with another page before long.